the greatest American automobile there is.
The adventure continues.
And this car has now been on both coasts of the US and driven from LA to here.
As I go to leave, big shout out to Carl Stansel, Drop the Hammer Drag and Drive, and John Mayer, Drag and Drive competitor. Had a slit in the sidewall of the tire, so thankfully to them for being here and allowing me to use the parts and pieces they had. Made my swap a lot easier to the new trailer tire we had in the bed. But there's the slice. So that could have been bad. The only reason I changed it, or even looked at it to be honest, was because Carl and John changed theirs because it had a nail in it or something like that. So that's a tip. Always walk the truck and trailer and look at all the stuff. So, all right, on the road. 61? No, it's just a 7. Hold that while I figure out how to get back. Oh yeah.
Oh, the seat is the best part of this deal.
Oh yeah.
But there's just not a whole ton of legroom. So the ECU is right by your toes. Okay. So don't try and break it.
For people watching, Jonathan Suncypher knows what.
And you know, just slam your door harder. Slam it like a man. There we go.
You gotta pull it and hold it.
Sweet. Right, I'll plug this in.
Tom, I'm excited about this.
Oh yeah, dude.
This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, show me.
Right, headset.
Yep.
You can either have microphone left or right. It's up to you.
Oh.
Personal preference.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Oh, this is gonna be cool. Okay. I can't hear you.
Nope. So okay. You have to get this set. Alright.
Okay.
So yeah, you have a volume adjustment on your left ear on the top. So you can adjust your own volume.
Hit me again. Testes.
Hello, hello. If you can't hear yourself, then I can't hear you. So you might need to put the mic close to your face.
How about that? Oh yeah. Yeah. All sexy like it's not. Hello, hello. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
No way. Oh my gosh. So quick update. We are on the side of the road. We've made it 4.5 miles. Maybe.
Is it really 4.5 miles? Is that all?
It's probably 6 or so.
Yeah, okay.
We stopped to check on somebody on, they were working on their car. Give us a thumbs up, said we're good. Tom and I go to take off, cruising along. Nobody's behind us. Danny Grubai calls, says, hey, I don't have any forward gears. So they're now on the side of the road with the Volkswagen Beetle. And we're running to O'Reilly's to see if we can get some diff fluid, because maybe it's low. And he was having a little bit of troubles, like it selecting which side it wanted to do a burnout with.
It's almost like, so the thing will do open burnouts.
Yeah.
It will just spin the one wheel in water because it doesn't have the grip. And so I think it's wasted the limited slip, and now there's no clutches left in it for it to grab and go forward.
Grab anything.
Yeah. So we're going to try a fluid change and see if that helps.
Yeah, it should still work if there's...
If it'll get him to, you know, somewhere that's not the side of the road,
yeah,
great. But so, there's not a whole lot out here.
Yeah, so if you want to see the full story for everything that Tom's been doing, because he ran a personal best today, TB Racing on YouTube.
Thank you.
So we made the way back. We got the stuff. We got the gear oil, and now we're headed to get E85, which is 15 minutes the wrong way as well.
It's just drag and drive for you.
Yeah.
It would be that way.
Yeah.
pull this shaft. Let's get the shaft out.
Right, open the other box, grab it on the battery, and there should be a half-inch impact and bring the half-inch socket so we can get this nut off.
Because the reason why is because there's a lot of impregnated metal burnt onto the shaft. Yeah, as if the bearing's gone.
Blue Point yard sale.
Yeah! Well, you did it once, it went in the tote for 2 months. Finally, about a month ago, he sorted them, but it was in a tote. I have no idea. It's a store.
Talk, chef.
It's a good, small... See how far out the axle is?
Right.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
T46. Try T46, I think it's going to be bigger than that.
Oh no, it's a tiny.
The tiny one?
Like T20.
T20.
Tiny diamonds, that's my name.
It's a split knot.
Circuit's gone on the end. Right.
That's inside the diff somewhere.
Yeah. But look at the shrapnel on the end of the fucking shaft though. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh, it stripped the spines off the end.
I see the secret.
Have you? Well, that's good.
Rear ends in it that weekend.
I'll move myself, you carry and do what you do.
Yeah?
Is it coming off?
Looks like it.
Yeah, just take your back so there's no flag on it. Hold on. Let's go over there.
Push. There, yes.
Alright, hold on.
You want me to hold it or go?
I'm good with that.
I'm good with that.
Put it back together.
Go on, Dan.
Want to drain it before
Let's
you...
drain it before we put it back together.
Yeah, so you can get in there easier.
Yeah. I'm gonna take it back real quick.
So, figured we'd just jump in with Tom. It'd be easy. Yeah. And we're doing a parking lot alignment with Tom, and they're fixing the not replacing. They're fixing the axle over here on Danny's Ute. So, been interesting so far. But I have ridden about 45 miles in the Nap Shack Mustang, and I'm in lust. I'll just tell you right now. This thing's pure American sexy right there. Just
It's the greatest American automobile there is.
100%, dude.
Sweden won a trophy with the car. We're in Sweden, the biggest car show in Sweden, big family. I took a Volvo to an American car show and come away for second place. Alright? And the guy come up and said, Alan, I'd like you to take it in the ring.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh my God, you guys have missed it. Tom has aligned the car. Danny and them fixed the axle, which you saw. We've been here how long? 2.5 hours?
Huh?
We've been here 2.5 hours?
Oh, I think longer than that actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 11:05 right now.
Yeah, so we've been a minute. So, all right, now that we're 23 miles into the route, now we're gonna get the cruise on. So, enjoy. The adventure continues with the alignment struggles earlier. We realized, or Tom realized when we pulled into the 7-Eleven here as we get close to Vero Beach at 2:15 in the morning, that the reason it was pulling like that is because the car actually runs two different size tires. One for the front that is a smaller tire, one for the rear is a little larger tire, and they had mistakenly put large tires passenger side, smaller tires, driver's side. So very easy swap. We just move one from the back to the front, front to back, no problem. Gets it on the right way. So even though he changed a few things as he gets through the way there, this should be pretty easy fix, and him and Al are getting that knocked out right now. So, but I'll tell you one thing, I'm freezing. I'm absolutely freezing. I have a beanie on, I have a hoodie on, I have a jacket on, I have sweatpants on over my other pants, and freezing my butt off. So I got gloves out of the truck, and we're just having a good old time. Danny is enjoying himself, laughing at me.
I think we turned my heater down. I was a little warm.
Yeah. There is no heater in this car. I don't. If there is, it does not blow on my legs.
It's under the engine. It's that little spinny thing.
Yeah. So, anyways, back on the road here in a minute. We are at least 100 miles from Orlando. It is 2:15 a.m. So it's probably gonna be about 4 o'clock in the morning before we get to the track, and then we're gonna sleep a little bit and get up and do this all again. Welcome to Dragon Drive. All right, we just turned on the A1A right here in Vero Beach, Florida.
Yeah. Holy cow, we made it. Dude, this thing is now been on both coasts in the US and driven from LA to here.
That's crazy.
How insane is that?
All right, so tell us the significance of this tonight.
Yeah, this spot right here is like on the east coast of Florida, and this car has now been on both coasts of the US and driven from LA to here on Dragon Drives, which is crazy to think about. And yeah, it's like a pivotal moment for me now, so this is awesome. So stoked.
What time is it?
It is 5:25.
So yeah. That's all night. That's all night.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Pretty awesome.
I think it's left here and then
yeah. Wow. All right. Time to get some sleep before he has to do some racing here shortly. I think I'm gonna put my earplugs in and try and give me a couple hours before I go in here and start getting all this content stuff. So see you guys in a little bit. Oh my goodness, bro.
Dude, like, yeah.
That was insane.
Oh no,
that was insane. Oh my gosh, my toes are freezing.